Hi there, I'm Renee Fuentes and welcome back to my channel, Thai Caliente. Today I have a super easy recipe for you guys, and that is for bacon, egg, and cheese burritos or tacos. So I've got some requests for easy grab and go breakfasts. I have my recipe for chorizo potato and egg burritos that I'll link right here in the iCard. But I'm gonna show you how I like to make crispy, mess-free bacon. Hint, hint, it's in the oven. And then the key to kind of a good breakfast taco or burrito is the soft scrambled eggs. So I'm going to show you my technique for perfect scrambled eggs. And then we can add some other mixings if you like, or just keep it the bacon, egg, and cheese. All right, you guys, let's start by making the bacon. I already have my oven preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I just have a large baking sheet here that I've lined with parchment paper. You definitely want to have some overhang so that way the grease can just stay on the parchment paper. And I'm just going to take my bacon out here and just lay it on those. I'll kind of rearrange it once I get my hands free. Bacon is ready for the oven. So go ahead and set the timer for 15 minutes and then you can check it, and if it needs more, then you can add 5 more minutes. So while the bacon is cooking, I am just whisking 6 eggs. I also added a splash of milk and a little bit of salt and pepper. And in a pan over low heat, go ahead and melt a tablespoon of butter. And I want to emphasize low heat. We don't want to cook the eggs over super high heat. So just give them another whisk, and you can see there's no sizzling or anything. And then we're just going to gently move the eggs around. This is kind of sped up a little bit, but this process should take a couple minutes. You definitely want to cook the eggs low and slow, and I promise they're going to be the best scrambled eggs that you've had. So that texture right there is perfect, and you can go ahead and remove them from the pan. Our bacon is done. I ended up cooking it for about 25 minutes, so just check on it since each oven is different, and if your oven runs a little bit hotter, it might need less time or it might need more time. But go ahead and cook it to your desired crispness and then let them drain on a paper towel. Okay, so the first ones I'm going to show you are these little soft flour tortillas. So these are perfect for my kids in the morning. They don't want to eat a lot, but I still want to make sure they get a good breakfast. And I just kind of roll them like a flauta and just keep them seam side down. So if they're going to be eating these within the next 2 days, then I just put them in a container in the refrigerator and then go ahead and heat them back up in the microwave. So these are the bigger flour tortillas, more of the burrito size. So you want to add a little bit more filling. So again, I'm just doing the cheese, the eggs, and the bacon that we just cooked up in the oven. You also want to make sure your flour tortillas are warm so that way they're soft and easier to roll up. So I just put them in the microwave for about 30 seconds. So so these burritos, I actually had some diced potatoes. So feel free to change up the filling to whatever you like. If you want to add some bell pepper, potatoes, anything that you like to make these a little bit more filling, by all means, go ahead and do that. And go ahead and roll them up. And now I'm going to show you how I freeze the burritos. So either in plastic wrap or parchment paper. I know it's not the most economical thing to do, but it keeps them from getting freezer burnt. And then I place them in a larger bag. This way you can write what's on there, the date, and these should store in the freezer for up to 3 months. So then when I reheat them in the microwave, and then I add any salsa or avocado, anything fresh that I want to add. And now I'm just going to crisp them up in a pan with a little bit of oil just until they get nice and golden brown, and it just kind of gives the burrito that extra touch. All right, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video on how to make bacon, egg, and cheese burritos. as well as how to freeze them and the best way to reheat and serve them. So I already took a bite of this burrito because I just couldn't wait, but if your family is anything like mine, they will love having these breakfast burritos in the morning. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments, leave them down below. I will be happy to answer them, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.